How to change email address on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can change email address on Southwest Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to visit southwest.com, and then once you're on the page, the next thing to do is to log in into your account. If when you're logged in, you would see my account here, but if you're not logged in, you'll see the option login. All right, so once you're logged in, click on my account, and after selecting my account, you'll be taken to your accounts page. So on this page, once that's loaded, by the right side of the screen, you can see some options such as trips, rapid rewards, payment profile. Just go ahead and select profile. So after selecting profile, the profiles page will be displayed. So on this page, you can see options, tabs, basically, such as personal, login and security, travel, communications, frequent travelers. So under personal info, you can see the personal info details, you can see the contact details, and then you can see the email. So to edit this, just click on add/edit contact info, and then you can now see the options displayed there. Basically, this is for the phone number, then the email. Since you're trying to change the email, you can just go ahead and erase this and enter in the new email that you would like to use. Okay, just go ahead and type it out that way at gmail.com. And then once you're done, scroll down to the last part of the screen of the box and then click on save. And then just like that, your email would be changed. As you can see, so simple, so simple. This is how you can change your email on your Southwest account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.